equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of repairing the Kobold VC100 vacuum cleaner. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and a multimeter for testing electrical components. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, remove the screws located at the base of the unit using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the vacuum. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the cover off, you'll have access to the internal components. Now, take a moment to inspect the internal parts for any visible damage or debris. Use the soft brush to clean out any dust or dirt that may have accumulated inside. This is crucial as a clean environment can prevent future issues. If you notice any broken wires or burnt components, this may indicate a need for replacement. At this point, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Next, let's check the motor. Use your multimeter to test the motor's continuity. If the motor is faulty, it will need to be replaced. Make sure to note the model number of the motor for accurate replacement. If you're unsure about this step, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. After checking the motor, inspect the brushes. Worn brushes can lead to poor performance. If they appear worn down, replace them with new ones. This is a simple fix that can significantly improve the vacuum's efficiency. Once you've completed these checks and any necessary replacements, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the cover back on, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly so, to avoid stripping the threads. Before you plug the vacuum back in, give it one last clean to ensure no debris is left inside. Now, plug it in and test it out. If it's still not functioning as expected, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Kobold VC100. Regular maintenance and cleaning can prolong the life of your vacuum, so keep it in good shape. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.